If you are still struggling with which plan you want to grab from the Brizy Cloud lifetime deal, I will explain it to you. It's not WordPress. It's the cloud version only. So, it comes with the free hosting and unlimited subdomain options. Let's compare the difference between these three plans. Personal is for only one custom domain. If you build only one website, this is enough. If you need more custom domains and membership functionality, you will need to take a look at the Freelancer Cloud. I got the Agency Cloud because it comes with 100 custom domains added, 5 publishing options, and white label. What are 5 publishing options? When you click on the 3 dots on each site, there is a publish option. Custom domain, subdomain, third-party hosting, server sync, and HTML files. When I work on a one-time website project, I provide the HTML to my client. When my client wants to get a hosting and design editing tool, will be my white label version because I don't want them to see Brizy. Why do you need a white label? If you build websites for yourself, you may not need a white label. In my case, I am a website agency. My local business owners contact me for their website design. I have been using WordPress for my clients' sites, but I am tired of using WordPress anymore. So, building landing pages or website pages, blog sites, I decided to use something stable, and the support team is always there to help me if there is anything. Some clients want to edit the website themselves. Under the white label version, I can completely hide the Brizy brand and provide the drag and drop builder. If they want to edit only the text and images, I can also provide them. When visitors submit the forms, the website owner will receive a notification via email. If it's not a white label, they will see the Brizy email address. So, to hide the Brizy brand completely, white label account will be the best option. Otherwise, you will need to use third-party form builder software. Why am I recommending Brizy? I have been using the Brizy for more than 2 years now. Plus, I purchased so many other website builder software. As comparing other website builders, Brizy is the one I love because it's user-friendly. You don't really need to watch tutorial videos to understand how to build a website. I am a designer but a codemaster. I am not looking for or trying to learn a complicating website builder. The website builder should be for beginners that all users must use without hard work. Furthermore, the Brizy team adds new features and actively fixes bugs. Brizy is not a perfect website builder yet. Also, I have never seen a 100% perfect website builder or software before. Some developers pretend to update the software after their launch period, and they never update a single thing. Brizy is not like them. I see a big potential for Brizy. They have lots of plans to add new features, including e-commerce. Some other features have been added already, and I am enjoying it. Since they offer a lifetime deal for the cloud, I thought it's a steal. If you are a fan of or feeling a potential for the future of Brizy, I recommend this lifetime cloud deal that only 3 days left to get. When my white label account is ready, I will make more videos and share them here. Hope my video is helpful. Please feel free to leave comments and share what you think about the Brizy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to check other awesome deals.